misfire. It's all fucked up. Slip strike culture, sublimating couture flashes in the brain like Disney plastic. From the pressure, mere time is abused, sacrificed for the greater tribe that hates lilac. You may be rotting beneath their feet as these angels revel in their boredom, but you'll drag the children across the stage hoping to catch their horrid gaze. The democratic repertoire, misfired, knows the words to reheat broken hope.
That's how big you guys there!
As such that we are all satiate in one beautiful dream.